How to download embedded videos from any website. Step 1. Open Inspect element. Right-click on the video you want to download and select Inspect or Inspect element, depending on your browser. Step 2. Locate the video URL. In the Inspect element panel, click the Network tab and click Media. Reload the page while keeping the panel open. Look for a file with the extension .mp4 or similar under the Type column. Step 3. Copy the video URL. Right-click on the video file you found and select Copy Link Address, or right-click and click Open in New tab. Important note: if ads or restrictions appear, don't worry. Just close them and focus on locating the correct video file. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it useful.